Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda CX-5 Max. Stock reference number 4438. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch steel rims. The left rear has average tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy bumper cover. Right hand tailgate light, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage, as well as the guard. Right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, and right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.